Want to make your casual gathering unforgettable with 3 simple yet incredibly luxurious finger foods? Then don't miss this video. Let's start with the first one, a delicious and crowd-pleasing tart. Mix boiled potatoes and carrots, bell peppers, pickles, corn, and shredded chicken with a splash of lemon juice, your desired amount of black pepper, salt, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix it all well so all the flavors blend perfectly, giving us a smooth and delicious filling. Now, fill the mini savory tart shells with the mixture and garnish them with fresh dill, a small piece of bell pepper, and a pretzel stick. Look how mouth-watering they turned out, a flawless finger food that will make your table setting look twice as elegant. Second recipe, magic crackers. Whisk some cream cheese until smooth. Add chopped chives, salt, and chili flakes, then mix it all together. Place this beautiful mixture between 2 salty crackers and give it a gentle press. Oh my, a crispy cracker with a magical creamy center. Third recipe, gourmet stuffed mushrooms. Mash butter, boiled potatoes, and carrots with salt and black pepper using a fork until it forms a smooth paste. Add boiled chicken breast, corn, and colorful bell peppers and mix it well. Place an onion ring inside each hollowed-out mushroom, stuff them with our mixture, sprinkle some thyme, and top them off with shredded mozzarella cheese. Grease your baking sheet, arrange the mushrooms, and place them in a preheated oven. Bake for 10 minutes from the bottom and broil for 3 minutes from the top. Arrange them on your serving platter, and for the grand finale, top each one with a black olive. And there you have it, 3 appetizing and delicious ideas for your special guests. If you loved these quick and classy ideas, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming recipes.